I'm loving this new AR emoji stuff. Welcome to Mindful Mondays. It's going to be a new segment for my Italian blogs that I'm rolling out. And my gosh, I wish that this AR emoji would actually copy everything I'm doing. Instead, it just makes me look like a complete nutcase. But Mindful Mondays, it's just going to be related to proverbs, everyday reminders, daily reminders for what you should be doing with your life, and just some reflections that you can look back on and remember that life is trial and error. Not everybody is perfect and all that good stuff. So one of the famous quotes that I wanted to mention in Italian, it's not even getting my facial gestures. But one of the very famous quotes, actually by Michelangelo Buonarroti, who was the sculptor, a painter, architect, poet, a whole bunch of different recognized duties that he maintained, was he mentioned the very important phrase, Ancora Imparo, which just means, still I learn. Still I'm learning, or I'm learning still. I think this is very, very important. We tend to lose hindsight of that with our everyday goals and objectives and what we're set out in this world to go after. But I think learning is all about trial and error, and it's all about basically trying things. If you fail, you reinvent, and just trying to find your niche, trying to find your goal, where you fit in life. And not everybody is, designed to figure things out right away, instantly or instantaneously. It takes time. And if you're still trying to find yourself, or if you're still trying to find what you're passionate about doing, try new things. Try experiencing different things, and you'll really feel differently about certain things. You'll look at things differently. Really, a lot of different things you'll find different aspects about. And you'll come across meeting different people. You'll meet different things, like where you thought that you would have never been interested in. It's an experience. We were set on this earth to pretty much venture out and try things out. And without getting too political or too, I don't want to go in depth with certain things, but basically you're still learning. So just keep your eyes on the prize. If you have a prize that you want to aim for, if you're aiming for something in the future, go for it. Don't stop. I've been uploading videos every single day now for a very long time. It took me so long to get past 1,100 subscribers on YouTube. So it just takes a while, and it just takes time. But every day you're learning something new. Like, more hashtags on your video are actually gonna hurt your video than help your video. Just certain similar things like that. But let me smile for you. I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Remember, this is Mindful Mondays, so just be mindful. Care about yourself, care about your health, care about your being, and try and give back if you can. Alright, I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you.